So all we're doing today is cleaning up this frog area because we need to move the chickens from the chicken house to this area because we're going to be destroying the chicken house soon. I think the black soldier fly eggs are going to hatch in about 1 day, so I need to create a medium for them so they can eat. So I'm just going to sift through this rice bran and then we'll go from there. I'm going to try and show it either, but these are the black soldier fly eggs. That little patch of goop, very small and tiny.